some. Okay, so we have here a good quality video, say 2.3.3 gingerbread. We are thankful to the Sony that they have provided this latest software to the Sony Ericsson Xperia X10, and the speed of phone is working very good with the 2.3.3. and when we start the phone, that starting time is very less than the 2.1 eclair. And this phone with the iPhone Android 2.3.3 is good, and they have introduced the same like new look, same as a Xperia X10, Xperia Arc. Look is same like Xperia Arc. All the features inside the phone is like Xperia Arc, and it look like Xperia Arc only. Then this is working very good with the 2.3.3. Speed is increased, phone speed, and the working of the phone is increased. Okay, then here the option is for the pinch zoom, where we are pinching the screen. At that time all the 5 screen comes in one screen. Then tap again, you can see the pinch zoom. With this pinch zoom you can only tell that multi-touch function is working only. Then the brightness of the screen is increased, and we can see that the colors are increased from new update, gingerbread. Then we have an option for the timescape, which is size is increased, and the Facebook inside Xperia also is inside the timescape only. Then we have Facebook Media Discovery, where you can see all the videos shared by your friend in the one folder only, all the YouTube videos. Then you can see comments and the like, dislike status in that video, below that the video. Then we have something for the data traffic widget, where whenever you want to save your battery, just turn it off. Then your net goes to turn off. You can save the battery. Then we have a music player widget outside, and music is good. They have provided the equalizer. This equalizer is, we have so many options like normal, classic, dance, flat, and the music quality is increased. And one more thing, in the Facebook inside Xperia, if you like that song, just tap on the like status. That song directly goes to your Facebook status for your friend. Then here the small widget is for the photos and videos. Then one more widget for the gallery, where you can see all the photos from your phone, from Facebook, all the photos in one side only, in one widget. All the photos are here. Then we have a Media Go menu. In the Media Go menu, you can quick access with the Market, Gmail, Music, and Gallery. And the gallery option is same here outside. Then we have in the setting menu, we have an option for the applications, manage all applications, where we have option for on SD card, where you can move your applications from the phone to SD card, but not all the applications. Some selected applications are there where that will show the move to SD card. Then you have such a nice application called F2 SD Pro, that application directly moves your application to the SD card. And then we have an Android market. So yeah, it's here. Actually the original Android market is good, but Google has introduced a new market for the Android 2.2.3 or 2.3.3, and that working very good. Just try it. That new market is very good. Then you can see here that the notification area, where the new icon for the battery and for the internet and for the network. Okay, now you can see the categories, where you can see the games, book and reference, business. So many categories are in the new market, only the new market you can see. Then we have a featured applications, then the top paid applications, top free application, top grossing, top new paid, top new free. They have so many different partition for the in the new market. For the easy search, it's a good than the old market, right? Then we are going for the settings menu, that wireless and networks. You will get the tethering options, where you have a USB tethering. Whenever you want to connect your net with the USB, then turn on the USB tethering. Otherwise we have a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. In this hotspot setting, just you have to setting for your phone, and you can see in the laptops your Wi-Fi connections. Then we have a quadrant standard, which will show the rank of the phone. That ranking of the phone shows that how nice is Android 2.2, 2.3.3 in Xperia. Okay, so here I am going to run full benchmark. Okay, so here the CPU, memory, IO, 2D graphics and 3D graphics are there. So he is collecting all the requirements, and it will show the result of 2.3.3. This is for the 3D graphics, and with this you can play such nice games like 3D games and HD games with smoothly. And also the phone speed is increased, but just lagging of some part in the IO. Otherwise the phone is very good, and the phone memory is decreased. The 512 MB ROM you will only get the 375. Okay, so here we got the quadrant standard, that our device is working with around 950. Here the some devices are there: Nexus Galaxy S, Nexus One, HTC Desire, Sony Xperia X10i with 2.1, Moto Droid and HTC Magic. With all these things, our phone is better than these phones, and it's working nice with the quadrant standard. Then we have something for the flash player. With the flash player, the videos are working very good, and videos experience is very good in this way. You can find the flash player in the market itself. The flash player is actually working good. You can see the video smoothly. Yeah, here is the flash player 10.3. so you can download it from the net directly, and you can watch the YouTube videos. Yeah, and we have something other is a good gaming experience. Gamings are very smooth, I'll show you one of the 3D games, Avatar, which is working in the Xperia. These games are nice for the Xperia, and it will support all the games with the high definition. Touch response is very good, multi-touch is there. So you can see in the first I have tried in the 2.1 this game. This is not this much fast. It's working very nice now. And yeah, this is the game, Avatar. So it's working very smoothly in this phone. This is a high definition game. It's around 200 MB game. Okay, this is Avatar. It's a gaming experience. Is a very good with the multi-touch. Then we have some more games like Angry Birds. Angry Birds is working good. Then Bakery Story. Then the Diversion. Diversion is also like a HD game. It is also working very good with the 2.3. You can see here the game results. It's very fast. So this is the gaming experience for Xperia. And then we have more games like Dungeon Hunter. Dungeon Hunter is a very nice game for the Xperia. It's working with the Xperia. Then the Let's Golf or Let's Golf 2. That two are also the HD games for the Xperia. These games are also working very nicely in the Xperia. These all are high definition games and the 3D games which are working in the 2.3.3. You can see the HD graphics and the speed of the phone. Okay, so this is the gaming experience, and you can, with the application 2SD, you can install as many as applications you want, and you can free up your phone memory so your phone work very smoothly. And on the first day of the upgrade, I have got the update in India on around 1 o'clock at midnight. These all are the good features of the 2.3.3 which I have shown you, and the phone is working very nicely. So if anything new, I'll update it. Thanks for the watching. Okay, so